Before we get to this weekend, going to want to know about the travel out there for tomorrow morning because we have a weather impact alert, as you can see there on your screen. Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling timing it all out for us.
Yeah, things are going to be changing over the next 24 hours, and it's really within the next 12 to 18 hours that the biggest change will be taking place. We have a lot of wind that is going to be kind of thematic for the next couple of days. Wind gusts upwards of 40, 50 miles per hour possible through the rest of the afternoon. But look at these temperatures. It's a warming wind until the cold front gets here. And ahead of the cold front, we will have rain that moves in, and that rain could be heavy at times with some gusty winds associated with it. So over the next few days, these wind gusts will stay with us all the way through Saturday. We may have some isolated power outages, and don't forget about anything that's outside that's not tied down. I would include your garbage in that too. Things could go floating down the road, so just make sure everything is secured as best you can. There is a wind advisory for these wind gusts to 50 likely throughout the afternoon. Most of that today is going to be west of Greater Cleveland, so Erie, Huron, and Richland counties, western Ohio included. That would impact the Turnpike. That would impact 2 and also 71 as you head down toward the Columbus area. So just two hands on the wheel kind of stuff. All these wind gusts will continue to spread east as we head through the night. Currently, we're seeing 29-mile-per-hour wind gusts at Port Clinton, 33-mile-per-hour gusts at Mansfield, but we're already to 40 in downtown Cleveland. This will become more and more of an issue. But as mentioned, it's a warming wind. We're in the 50s across the area right now. We could have some locations that if this sunshine continues, we might even kiss 60, which would just be incredible because we have a couple of cold fronts that are coming our way. And by 24 hours from right now, we're likely to be sitting in the 20s. That is a slap in the face. We have the first cold front that is west of Chicago right now. The second cold front is coming through Des Moines. That 1-2 punch will basically set us up for not only change as far as wind direction, it's also going to set us up for the potential of a flash freeze. What's going to be freezing? Well, we're already seeing snow melt, so there's some standing water in some locations. Now we're going to bring in rain, and that rain may even be heavy at times tonight along this squall line that's going to come through. And then behind that, hopefully we'll have enough of a break that we can dry the surfaces off, but any standing water will be prone to freezing in the late night hours. Starting to see some clouds showing up on the western horizon. These wind gusts on the front will be with us tonight, and then the Friday evening lake snow potential is kind of the newer part of this forecast. We also have that possibility of drying before the freezing comes in, and that would help us out quite a bit for tomorrow morning. But we are expecting that rapid freeze, some snow for the morning commute, and the windy conditions. That is why we issued the weather impact alert all the way back on Monday. So the clouds continue to thicken up through the afternoon. Our temperatures continue to stay mild in your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Here comes the rain. It'll be light at first, but we'll see this line, that squall line I mentioned, starting to move into the area about 9 o'clock. It'll come through downtown Cleveland, the I-71 corridor, anywhere from about 11 to 12, and then continue marching east. Notice the temperature drop from the 50s to the 40s, and then quickly back into the 30s for the start of the day tomorrow. The secondary front gets here about 5 a.m. Look at the 30s versus the 20s. This is the flash freeze. And notice right as that is happening, we also have a burst of snow coming down. It's not how much snow is coming, it's the timing and the flash freeze. We could have some problems tomorrow morning on the roads. Those snow showers will continue to move out, and we'll have some lake effect that sets up. That is expected to continue east of Cleveland through the afternoon, and that's why we continue our weather impact alert all the way into the latter part of the day. How much snow is coming? Well, all of us have a chance to have a candy coating. It'll be slushy, and at the same time that freeze is taking place, but we're only going to add a few more inches of snow into the primary snow belt areas for, let's see, tomorrow night and then into the day on Saturday. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast, and as you can see, the temperatures are going to be pretty sharp. It's a pretty sharp change in the temperatures from the 50s to the 20s. We'll be in the 40s on Saturday and then dip back into the 20s on Sunday. Next week, we're still looking 30s and 40s with rain chances still holding on for Christmas.